What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you've been scrolling through the internet, wondering how you can make some quick, legit cash, you might have stumbled upon money6x.com. But the big question is it real? And if so, how can you actually make money with it? Well, I did the research, and in today's video, I'll break it all down for you step by step so you can decide if it's worth your time. Let's get started. Alright, first things first. What is money6x.com? Well, it's a platform where you can earn money by doing simple online tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, or even referring friends. It's one of those websites that claim to make earning extra cash super easy, even if you don't have special skills or experience. Sounds good, right? But before you dive in, here's what you need to know to make the most of it. Getting started is pretty straightforward. Here's what you do: sign up, go to money6x.com, create an account, and boom, you're in. Make sure you use a valid email because you'll need to verify it. Set up your profile, fill out your profile completely. This helps you get matched with the best earning opportunities. Choose tasks. You'll see a list of tasks like surveys, data entry, and other activities. Pick the ones you like and start working. The cool thing is, most tasks are beginner friendly. You don't need any special training or tools, just your phone or computer. Now, let's talk money. How much can you actually earn on money6x.com? For basic tasks like surveys, you might earn a couple of bucks each time. Watching videos or completing quizzes? That's usually smaller payouts, like cents per task. Referring friends is where you can see bigger numbers. Some users say they earn $10 or more per referral. Here's the deal though, you're not going to get rich overnight. This is better for side cash, not a full-time income. But if you're consistent, it can add up over time. Want to maximize your earnings? Here are some quick tips. Check the platform daily. New tasks are added all the time. The sooner you grab them, the more you can earn. Prioritize high-paying tasks. Spend your time on tasks that offer the most money for your effort. Leverage referrals. Share your unique referral link with friends, family, or even on social media to earn bonuses. Be consistent. Even 15-30 minutes a day can make a difference over a month. So, is money6x.com worth your time? Here's my honest take. If you're looking for quick and easy ways to make some side cash while chilling at home, it's definitely worth trying out. Just keep your expectations realistic. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. But hey, every dollar counts, right? Alright, that's a wrap for today. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips on making money online, and drop a comment if you've tried money6x.com or have other platforms you love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.